All right, folks, tomorrow is Thursday, May 29th. We always start with the daily chart of the SPY. Kind of had a narrow range, sold off most of the day. NVIDIA, it felt like the entire world was waiting for NVIDIA to report after hours, which they did. And right now, I'll show you the daily. Right now, it closed at 134.81. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 140. It went as high so far as 143.17. So if it holds this gap up, looks, that's another good sign for the market. So something to keep in mind. Overall, not an exciting day, but some good calls. Alan H with Unity Software under 23.50, and it went to 25.34 from there. I gave LVWR over the mic over 375, and it went to 450, which is a nice percentage move. So there was a couple trades from today. There were others, obviously, but I like to spend these videos going over what we're watching for tomorrow. Let me put this up. New members in the room, please read this. It's all about what the room's about. We're day traders, so we're all looking for intraday setups. I don't hold overnight, but whenever you're a day trader, you want to start with a list of stocks that are in play. So that's what I try to do with these watch lists, all right? ASBP, penny stock. But man, went out strong. Kevin P, I think, grabbed this in after hours over like 70 cents, and it went to $1.12. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 83 cents. I'm going to watch that one tomorrow. I usually don't trade the pennies, but IONQ is kind of flagging up there after that big pop on that Barron's article. We're going to keep our eyes on that, which means we're going to keep our eyes on all the other quantum plays as well. Speaking of which, QMCO, I like the looks of this chart. See this extra volume down here, and it's just coiling sideways. Could get a breakout. HYLN, big move today, just kept grinding higher all day long. We're going to watch that one. OUST, OUST, you can kind of see the resistance right where my horizontal line is. It's already made a 3 or 4 day move, so I don't like it that much, but I put it on the list. EYPT looks a little bit like OUST, but you kind of had a big volume day today, and it's sort of breakout territory over this area. Not in love with that one either, but we're going to watch it. Joby, J-O-B-Y, nice breakout today. Could have a follow-through day. SPRO held up pretty well today after that gap up. NVTS, don't love the looks of this daily because it's so extended, and then we got this red candle. But it makes weird moves at times, so I'm going to keep it on watch. I would like that to pull in for a couple more days, but I'm a day trader, so I will have it on watch. HOLO, as far as I can tell, everyone, you mentioned this symbol too, hates it. I didn't trade it today, but it had big volume and a pretty strong close, so we're going to watch that one. AGAE, kind of a sleeper pick, but that's good volume for that one today. It's already made a huge move, though. U is Unity Software. Nice little mini breakout there. QUBT, I wanted to throw another quantum play on watch. I'm treating this like a bounce play because kind of had a nice 2-day run, and now we got 2 days lower, very narrow range today. 2 days lower on declining volume. So quantum plays come into play. I like the looks of this one. And again, I'm going to treat it as a bounce play. You guys know in chat how I trade those. IMNN, I'm also kind of treating it like a bounce play. You had the big rip, quiet inside day on way lower volume. It could have a 3rd day play there. iRobot, which is IRBT, kind of looks like that last one. Big pop, quiet inside day on much lower volume. I like the looks of that chart for a possible 3rd day play. Some former runners, I got to zoom in so you can see these. I've got this set on 1 year. That's part of the problem. I usually go to 6 months. Boom. Had this crazy move, kind of tried to make a secondary move, but now you got a few days lower on declining volume into that buy zone between the 8 and the 20. This one could catch a trade. It might get busy again. So ASST is also kind of in that camp. Crazy runner, 3 days lower now into that buy zone. And then lastly, I want to throw one uranium play on watch. UEC after the big pop and then the gap up a couple days lower. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in chat. We'll build a list of gappers to add to this list, and let's have a great day tomorrow.